Greetings viewers, Eric the Car Guy here, also known as ETCG1 when I post videos to this channel. And hey, if it's your birthday, I want to wish you a very special happy birthday. Now some people might be annoyed that I start my videos here in ETCG1 with that. However, whenever it's their actual birthday and they hear that, they always comment on how much they appreciate hearing it. So I'm going to keep doing it. So what's the main difference between the videos that you'd see here on ETCG1 and those that you'd see over on my main channel, Eric the Car Guy? Main difference would be is that I do not post repair videos here to ETCG1. Those are over on Eric the Car Guy. So if you want those, head over to Eric the Car Guy. ETCG1 is more for discussions, things that involve the automotive industry, what it's like to live and work as a technician, and also helpful tips for you as an auto repair customer, and as well as some other tips for the DIYer, people that do these things themselves. Additionally, I post videos that don't necessarily fit over on Eric the Car Guy. Sometimes I go to events or races, things like that, and I cover those things and I post those videos here on ETCG1. So if you're looking for that additional content, stuff that happens maybe behind the scenes at Eric the Car Guy, you'll find that here on ETCG1. So I hope you'll join me. I normally post these videos on Mondays. I hope you hit the subscribe button. I hope you come back and watch more videos. I want to thank you for your time. Be safe, have fun, stay dirty. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.